Applying makeup to go out to a party. Comment, like, subscribe. Hey guys, I'm going out to a party this evening and I just wanted to show you how I look. I did my own hair and I did my makeup. So this is what I did for the makeup. So I used just this simple lip gloss because I don't use lipstick. Now I use this eye pencil right here, brown, dark brown. Use this makeup here, which is black opal, and it's truly topaz is the color, right? I use this CoverGirl, which is soft honey. Use this eyebrow, that's eyeshadow. This is the pack of eyeshadow I use, but I use this color here. And guys, just this simple mascara. So you know, people don't use mascara anymore, they use those fake eyelashes. I did not have to use the fake eyelashes, guys. Remember back in the days when you did not have the eyelashes, these mascaras did the job. They did an excellent job. So you don't have to do that anymore. So this is what I use for my makeup. So these are all the things I use. This, and that. These are the stuff. Nothing more. And for up here, I use when I finish put on the foundation, I just use this powder and I just kind of use it to smooth it up. That's it. Guys, I was a Mary Kay consultant, so I know how to do makeup. One of those days, I'll show you how I do makeup from scratch, and you will see how I fix my hair. So this is what the outfit looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all soon. Later. Bye now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.